So the process is take it to Wondershare, go through the process of repairing in Wondershare. Once Wondershare says it's completed, check out the clip. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. If it's jittery, import into Catalyst Browse, adjust your settings, and then render up, and you should be good to go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Alan here from Lonzos Studios. So this video, I'm gonna show you how I was able to recover RSV file, which is a corrupted Sony file. All right, so we tried Stellar, installed a free version, opened it, looked at the video, and this is the RSV file here, and it's not recognized. So Stellar, option number 1 is out. So the other option that we had was Wondershare. Since Stellar didn't recognize the RSV file, we decided to try this guy, Wondershare Recover It. File repair, and it says corrupted video. Let's do that. Let's add, and that's the first thing we look for. And look, Wondershare recognize the RSV file. So we selected the corrupted file. Just click on repair, and it'll tell you right away. It'll tell you that it failed, right? So I guess this is the basic repair, like a quick repair. It failed. Click OK. Advanced repair. Click on that. And then it wants a reference file. Okay, so it wants a sample file, a sample video file. What I did was I chose this sample file. So I chose it. It said that it did not match. The format wasn't the same, but it's just talking about the extension, the .mp4 versus the .rsv. So you're good to go. Just click repair. It took a while, but it went through, and it did in fact repaired it somewhat. Click OK, then save, and it'll take you to this right here, where I'd wait a couple of minutes or however long it takes for this to pop up. So it played, but unfortunately, as you can see, the motion blur was very crazy. See that? So at this point, this is when you actually take it into Catalyst Browse. Just import that clip, that same clip that Wondershare spot out. Just take it to Catalyst Browse. Change the setting, adjust the setting as you want, as you need to, and then just render out. Once it renders out, that's when it's finally repaired, and that's the last part of the process. So the actual clip is like 37 minutes long. The entire process, start to finish, took about an hour.